Hello, welcome to Unisport YouTube channel Learning Made Easy. This video is a part of the online series of how to use Classmarker. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now so that you won't miss any upcoming how-to videos. In this video in particular, we are going to talk about how to create the class groups in which you can include your students and then you have to assign them tests. So first of all, when you sign in, you come to your dashboard on the main page of your Classmarker account, and to create a group you have to click on the icon here. Once you click on the group icon, you will see that a new group button, but before that I would like you to have a look on this about groups information. Member will receive their own username and password and can log in via Classmarker homepage. This is the best option to conduct the online testing for your students, where you can track their signing in and you can also see their IP addresses and if they are attempting the test sitting together in one location. Right, so let's start with creating a new group. You click on the new group icon here. The Classmarker portal will ask you to give the name. So we give the name of the test class here and we hit the create button. Here you see that your class has been created and you can even edit the name later if you like. I just put test class 1 here, so you see the name has been edited, and then you see there is no member here. You can add members by clicking on this button, and then you have two options. The one is a register now, where you have to give the email addresses of each and every student and their names to register them, which is quite hectic. But alternatively, you can use a self-registration method where you will generate a few unique codes for each user or each student, and you will pass on those unique codes to your students and they will register themselves using those codes. So here we go, we select the self-registration option and you come here the create member registration codes. So we can create maximum 5,000 codes and we can create 1,000 codes for each group. For your class has only 5 students, so you select 5 here and you click add member registration codes. Once you click that, Classmarker will process that information and will give you the message that currently have 5 member registration codes available to use. So you print this information, or you can pass this unique codes to your students by whatever means, and you simply copy this information and send it. Given on this screen and register them yourself. You can notify members, but unfortunately this feature is only available to the paid subscriptions, not to the free versions. So don't worry about that. Then you can change the member setting and you can delete the groups individual members. So that was all about how to create a group. Once we will have the test set up for the students, I will tell you how to assign the test to the groups. So just a quick overview. You click on the assign test here, you will go to the page where you will have the quizzes already set, but you don't have any test set up, so it will say add a new test.